So one of the problems I've got on this one, I just want to point it out because it could be the same on yours. I'm just trying to get under there. If you can see where my finger is there, that is an oil sensor. It goes right inside the engine casing. So it's pretty sealed in there. It's a major job if you have to replace it. Now that's not working. That normally comes out and comes to this device. I'm not sure if that's a condenser or whatever else it is, some kind of resistor thing. But what I've had to do is just totally disconnect that. Okay, so that's the end that used to plug in over here where my other finger's pointing. So this end would plug into there. Now what normally happens is when the oil sensor comes on, it sends this end to ground. Let's just say it sends that to ground, and then it cuts the engine off if you don't have enough oil in now. So that's kind of how it works. So if you get a multimeter and test that, that should be open. You shouldn't get any reading. If you're getting a reading between here and ground, I'm just using my fingers. So if I hold that there, if you get any reading between there and ground with multimeter, that means that your switch isn't working. If you're unfortunate like me and it actually starts and runs, but as soon as it gets warm it cuts off, check to make sure that this is not going to ground, if you have enough oil of course. And then if that is the case, you'll find if you disconnect that, your Jenny will run again. Now the only thing is you have to make sure, keep checking your oil regular and make sure it's clean and the right level. You're running the risk of damaging your engine without the oil sensor only if you run the oil dry or you use an old oil. So if you check it regularly you can get away with that. Shouldn't really give you those recommendations, but you will get away with it. Just in my opinion, that's just my opinion should I say. I'll leave it as that. Okay, so that's this video. Thanks for watching and I hope it helps people.